Yeah, welcome to Brains course. You are highly welcome to this course. I told you guys firstly we are going to be starting on installing the IDE, the development area for programmers to program code. I explained everything to you guys on the Facebook page, so you guys should be aware of it. So now we are starting with it. I explained it to you. So to do it, we are going to go to we have different type of development areas. We have the Visual Studio Code, we have the PyCharm, we have the Eclipse. I explained all to you. So now we are going to be downloading this on their official website. We are working with on everything I'm going to be teaching you guys on programming. We are going to be working with Visual Studio Code. So this is the link for downloading the Visual Studio Code. Just follow me to this link, https code, or I'll be dropping the link on the description below. So after that, just click on enter. It's going to take us to the official website to download this. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, does not take much. This is for Windows. This is the official website. So this is download for Windows, for Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. This one is for Kali Linux. This one is for Mac operating system. But I'll be working with the Kali Linux because I'm using the Kali operating system. You can see it. So I'm going to be working with the Linux edition. But if you want to download the Windows, you can just tap on here. It will take you to another page. This is the page it will take you to. And just wait a few minutes. Your download will appear. Download button will appear. So just have to wait for some seconds. It will appear soon. And you can also read this get started. These are the installation steps. So it will come out. This is it. So you just click on save file and you click on OK. But I'm not using a Windows. I'm using a Kali. So after downloading it, just follow their steps. Open it and follow their steps. It will install just how you want. So I'm going to catch you up in the next video, and please make sure you do subscribe to my channel. On this place I also want to show you how to download an IDE for running our codes. So make sure you download this, and you can download PyCharm or any other one. So that's what we are doing, and I hope that's all what we are doing for this course. So please just make sure you download, you subscribe to our channel to motivate us and to make us drop more video. Thanks a lot. Bye. See you in the next video.